1. Define the concept and purpose. Identify target audience. Who are you building for? What will captivate them? Wireframes to high fidelity. Steps to crafting a unique concept. Choose a narrative arc. Linear storytelling. Scroll to progress through a timeline or brand journey. Non-linear/exploratory. Users can explore sections organically, great for portfolios. Theme. Metaphors e.g., a space odyssey for a tech brand. Surrealism, dreamlike environments, inspired by artistic movements. Immersion elements, 3D environments. Sound design and ambient background music. Cursor responsive elements, hover plus click interaction. Example sites for inspiration. Resin, mind-bending. Interactive web experiences. Hello Monday, playful designs with unique transitions. 2. Design, visual trends for 2024. Emerging trends. Glassmorphism, frosted glass effects with blurred backgrounds. Neo-brutalism, raw, bold layouts with unconventional grids. Abstract geometry plus gradients, organic shapes with layered gradients. Kinetic typography, text that distorts and shifts with interaction. Design must-haves. Hero animations, bold 3D graphics, parallax video loops, or full-screen typographic animations. Interactive grids, grid layouts that break on hover or adjust based on cursor movement. Dynamic typography, play with font weights, sizes, and letter spacing dynamically. Color trends. Monochrome with bold accents, dark mode designs with vibrant splashes. Earth tones plus pastels, softer palettes for calm, inviting UI. Neon plus cyberpunk, for high-tech and futuristic aesthetics. Tools to execute. Spline, 3D design, for interactive web-based 3D objects. Blender/Cinema 4D, full-fledged 3D renders. Figma plugins, Figmotion, animations, image tracer, turn sketches into vector art. Start with low-fidelity wireframes to map user flow. Transition to high-fidelity prototypes with micro-interactions. Interactive prototyping, add motion even at the prototype stage. Figma's Smart Animate or Principle. Focus areas. Hero section, bold. Full-screen animations with video loops or 3D graphics. Navigation, creative yet intuitive, e.g., hidden menus, asymmetric layouts. Scroll animations, scroll-triggered sections, sticky elements. Tools. Design, Figma, Adobe XD, Sketch. Illustrations/graphics, Blender, 3D, Spline, or Cinema 4D. Icons/details, Noun Project, Icon Finder. 3. Development, bring design to life. Key focus, seamless, fast, and interactive. Front-end frameworks. Next, JS/Astro, static generation for speed. 3. JS, WebGL for immersive 3D environments. GSAP, GreenSock, scroll-based animations and micro-interactions. Backend, optional. Stroppy/Contentful, headless CMS for dynamic content. Sanity, IO, real-time collaborative content management. Custom animations, Lottie files, animated SVGs. Scroll Magic plus GSAP, advanced scroll triggers. Examples. Obi's Agency, scroll-triggered effects. MA True Cannabis, smooth scrolling and bold typography. 4. Optimization, speed plus UX equals AWAWords. Key focus, flawless performance and responsiveness. Key metrics, load time 2s, CLS 0, 1, cumulative layout shift, FID 100 milliseconds, first input delay. Techniques, lazy load, defer non-critical assets. Image optimization, use WebP over PNG/JPEG. Code splitting, load JavaScript in chunks. Caching, use edge functions and CDNs, Cloudflare. Versal. Responsive testing, use Chrome DevTools, Browser Stack, or Responsively app. 5. Deployment, getting it live, best platforms. Versal, best for Next. JS/React. Netlify, flexible and easy CI/CD. DigitalOcean, custom deployments with full control. AWS, Amplify/S3, scalable for larger projects. Fly.io, for globally distributed apps. Steps. Version control, GitHub/GitLab. CI/CD, Automate deployments with GitHub Actions or Netlify build hooks. SSL/CDN. Use Cloudflare for added security and faster delivery. Backups. Implement auto backups for dynamic content. 6. Submitting to AWAwards. Case study/project page. Showcase the journey, from sketches to final product. Emphasize innovation and problem solving. Media assets. Record video walkthroughs, Loom or OBS. High-res screenshots. Describe challenges. What technical hurdles did you overcome? Engage with the community. Respond to feedback on AWAwards for higher chances of recognition. Storytelling. Frame the site like a narrative or journey. Every scroll should feel like turning a page. Inspiration. AWAwards Sites of the Day section. Creative agencies like Immersive Garden, Toy Fight, and Locomotive. Example, Bruno Simon's portfolio, interactive 3D site, gamified user experience with WebGL. Tools, Miro/Notion, brainstorm ideas and gather references. Na/Pinterest, create mood boards. Unique selling proposition, USP, what makes your site unique in design or experience. Moodboard/storyboard, collect inspiration from Dribbble, Behance, and AWAwards.